This is how to convert USDT to BNB on Bybit. In this video, I will walk you through how to swap your USDT stablecoin to Binance native token on Bybit platform. As soon as you launch your Bybit app, it will take you to home directly. You can see my total asset. For you to know the cryptos and assets that you currently hold on Bybit, you click asset. So these are the current assets I currently hold. The purpose of this video is to swap my USDT to BNB, that is Binance native token on Bybit. To do that, you click convert. So you can see convert. Since USDT is here, you can bring this one up and bring this one down. So for me to do that, you just click swap this one. What we're going to do next is to click here to select Binance native token. You can search here, come here, click BNB, you tap. Now we are to select the total amount of USDT token we want to swap to BNB. You can click inside to type the amount you want to swap, but I only have $1 plus, so I'm going to click all, that is maximum. You tap maximum and you can see the equivalent amount of BNB is going to give us. So if you are okay with this total amount, you tap quote. If you are okay with this amount, confirm. It's loading. You can see conversion completed. For you to know the total amount you have, you just click view asset. You click asset. You can see what I had before was $6 plus on BNB. It is now $7 plus. So, and you can see that I don't have anything on USDT again. It's at zero balance. So this is how to swap and convert your USDT stablecoin to Binance native token on Bybit. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.